Today I will be playing MM2 until I saw a camper. So yeah, we're just like spectating players right now, and as you can see, we got headless ghost face, whatever he is. Yo, come on, let's go. By the way, guys, I'm not gonna lie. Yesterday when I played Murder Mystery 2, I got innocent 3 times, but I got like the gun 3 times and be a hero like 3 times. Then at the 4th time, I became a murderer and I won. Like, what are the chances, bro? Okay, innocent. This is what every 8-year-old hates. They just want to be a sheriff or a murderer, or they just want a team like what every 7-year-old will like to do. Oh my goodness, you scared me. Not gonna lie, guys, the gun sound and the knife sound is giving me jump scares now because I used to rage, but now I get jump scares. Okay, I wish I can just hide from the murderer. I don't have any emotes. I only have ice cream and coconut. Yo, you can hide here. Like, normally people won't hide there because they focus on getting coins or beach balls. Like, and most of the time, murderers don't usually go there. Like, if you're a murderer and you play this map, you gotta go check on someone who's in the fridge or something before even look for everybody in there. Otherwise, you're probably gonna lose the game. Yeah, you heard me. I swear, I don't know if there's a camper. We only have like 350 XP left. And I felt like the murderer is coming up. I'm not gonna touch that coin. I want to go out, but I'm kind of scared who's the murderer. I'm scared. Yeah, I'm totally not gonna go out. That's the How did she pass me then knew where I was going? At least I got 800 XP. That's not that bad. We're doing hotel again. Alright then. Innocent, of course. And hey, hi pal, how you doing today? Whoa! Hey! Whoa! I'm not the murderer. Chill, okay? Chill. I'm not the Yeah, you guys chill. Chill, alright? Chill. Hi, how you doing? Okay, I now know that these guys are not the murderer, but who is the murderer? Well, he is. Oh my, I saw him. He's like right there. How come? How does he not? He got this. Come on, you got this, bestie. Come on. Whoa, you scared me. Oh, you scared me again. Bro, why am I so immune to jump scares now? Just like steak. Oh my god. Yo. Go up. He has hitbox, did he? He could have get this guy. Oh my goodness, I am shivering. Yo, where's the sheriff? Oh, the sheriff's there. He's there. The murderer's in there. Bro. Can you... You got this, bro. Come on. Okay, I don't know where the gun is for real now because... Come and get me. I'm up here. I'm up here. I'm up here. Come on, pal. Is he gonna camp here? Yeah, I'm just gonna go get coins since he's not gonna come and get me. 40 coins, and we need beach balls too. Alright, we collected everything we got. Now, let's just wait until we get to 900 XP. I felt like... Let's go to the factory. Let's go! I'm a sheriff! Yeah! Let's go! Anyone have a knife? Cause I have a kitchen gun. Yo, I don't know who's in the sewer anyways. Yo, I don't want to get close to them. Or just chill. You guys chill. You guys chill. Chill. Yo, you guys chill. Yeah, you guys chill, alright? I can't trust her. Or her. I can't trust anyone. We both have knives and guns, but one of us is the murderer. Yo, what? Yeah, I'm leaving.